So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a typewriter effect on Premiere Pro without using any plugin. Now, for example, this is a text. Let's say I just simply remove the background. So I'll give you a quick review. Now, for example, this is the text. Now, if I want to apply that effect, just simply under the effects panel, search for linear wipe right there. If I quickly search for linear wipe, here you can see under the transition, just simply apply it to the video you want. Now once you do it, you'll notice that under the settings, open the settings for that particular text right there. Let's say it's right there, and here you simply need to transition complete, just simply extend it a bit little much. Now you'll notice that it will just simply create a time a keyframe right there, set it to 0, then again go to the next keyframe and set it to, let's say, 100. Now you'll notice that the typewriter effects have been going to be created without using any plugin. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.